Hey guys, you're watching 31 and Counting, and I'm Keelan, Eric's wife. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing of a Carolina Herrera medium handbag today. Stay tuned. So here it is. Let's take a look inside the bag. So we bought a charm. We'll look at that last. It comes in this protective cloth case for easy storage when you're not using it. And it's just simple. On the front it says CHCH for Carolina Herrera. So this is the Midi Vendome, I think it's a handbag. They call it a handbag. Yeah, Midi Vendome handbag because you're supposed to wear it on your elbow or hold it like this. And it comes with this optional, I think this is a canvas strap. It's pretty nice. Like you could make it longer, make it shorter. It's pretty nice. The hardware is all gold plated. And I like that it has this protective flap to also show that you have a zipper as well, so you get that double protection. And in the inside, I guess it's all leather on the inside and outside. So unlike the Bimba bag that we showed last time that had like canvas on the inside, this one is all leather throughout. And I think it's all leather throughout even in this interior pocket. So let's move that out the way. It's got a nice little zipper here. Okay, so yeah, this interior like compartment pocket thing is also all leather on the inside and outside. I kind of wish it was a different color on the inside like the Bimba. That one had like a red canvas interior. It's a nice little accent, but there's nothing wrong with this one. This is a beautiful handbag nonetheless. So as I mentioned earlier, this is all leather. It's Sequoia leather. I don't know if that's any different than the Bimba bags, but the quality is really nice. Let me actually zip this up before I start holding it. It's not too big. It's not too small. It's like a nice little everyday carry bag. I've only carried it around like one time, so I can't like speak to like the durability, but I mean it's Carolina Herrera and it's genuine leather, so you shouldn't damage it or anything like that. Like I think it'll hold up to everyday use. Let's see. Let's move this out of the way. So to the charm aspect, I'm gonna move this on the side. I saw this in the store and was like, I had to have it because it was cute. And usually I don't like charms on my bags, but this one is an owl. I don't know if you can see that. It's cute, isn't it? It's just a little owl, and you can clip it onto your bag. So this one comes with a lock charm already. So it's like, this will add a nice little like personalization to my bag. And this cost, I think, an extra $100 or so. It wasn't too much more expensive, but nice little accent to kind of make it yours. So this is the Midi Vendome bag, and I don't know what this color is because I couldn't find it. I couldn't find it online. Only seen it in black. I don't know if it's like discontinued or something like that, but I'm sure if you go into like a Carolina Herrera outlet or boutique store, you might be able to find it in some other colors. But this is this bag. It's awesome. It's cute. If you see it, you should buy one. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks guys.